Hey y'all, if this is your first time here, then my name is Dean. Go ahead and click that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. So today I'm going to be doing a unboxing for Babylist. So if that is something you're interested in watching, then go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, so let me explain. So if you saw my first video on how you can get free stuff for your baby, then you would know that I already had an unboxing with Babylist in that video. So as I was explaining in that video, the rules are, things have changed with Babylist. So when I did it, you basically just created your registry and you got your box. You got it for free. Well, I got mine for free. So what they're doing now is, now you create your registry as you did before, but now you have to go ahead and pay $9.99 or $10 for your box, but that amount goes towards your registry. So you can use it to spend on whatever you want in the store, in the Babylist store. So I went ahead and did that. I just created another account just to see how it would work so that I would be able to tell you guys. So the way that it works is, like I said, you spend the $9.99 on your box, and that amount is actually immediately put into your account. So as soon as you order your box and pay for your box, you have $10 in your account to spend on whatever you want. So the only thing with that is, if you order something for $10, you would still have to pay shipping. So I believe the minimum order is like $35. I'll have to double check and I'll just put the information below. But I believe it's about $30 to $35 that you have to spend to get free shipping. So I went ahead and just, applied the $10 and spent the minimum to get the free shipping, just on a few things that I was gonna get anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I got. Also, I wanted to get another box just to see if I would get the exact same thing as I got last time. So we're gonna find it together. I did. Okay, so yeah, I just wanted to find out if I would get the exact same thing that I got the last time as well, because I did see a few videos where some people got slightly different items. So as you can see, it's not open. Let me cover my address here, but yeah, it's not open. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it with you guys and see if we have the exact same thing. And if you want to compare the items, you can go ahead and look at my last video. I'll go ahead and link that below as well. So it still comes packaged the same way. So yeah. Okay, so this is how it comes, like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. So you do still get the book here, and the Huggies, the little toy, the same little milestone thing, pacifier, bottle, the same bottles as last time. Orlando samples, the water wipe samples, the little gift card again, the registry invite. The pacifier with the breast pads and the milk bags, the storage bags, and another one of those changing pads with the Pampers. I'll go ahead and open it up. Yeah, the changing pad with the Pampers. And the Pampers with the drug sample book of coupons, and this actually has some pretty good coupons in it. I don't know if I showed that in my last one, but it actually has some pretty good coupons. It even has one for Dawn in here. Yeah, so you even have one for Dawn for 25 cents off. So yeah, it's pretty much the same thing as last time. So I don't know how they choose what's gonna go in there, but pretty much got the same thing as I got last time, which is no big deal. It's not bad. So here is what I used the $10 credit for. So it's the box like that. It's not big, and I really don't even remember what I got. So we're gonna find out together. So let's see. Okay, so I got a changing pad cover. So yeah, I actually picked all this stuff out. I just don't remember what I got, but these are the little mittens so that they don't scratch themselves, like scratch their face. So I think it's, yeah, 6 of them in here. So I got that. And these are just some little washcloths here. So I have 6 of those, 3 in each pack. And the last thing is this little swaddle. So yeah, so I basically out of pocket I paid like maybe $20 for everything, which is not bad. So you basically get the box for free and just order whatever else you want from the site with the credit. So it's not a bad deal, you know. I just wanted to try it out so that I could tell you guys how it works. So the money is immediately put in your account. So you can go ahead and sign up for Babylist and get your box. But that is all. That is all I wanted to share with you guys. I just wanted to give you, you know, a quick update on how the system is now, how it works now. And yeah, if you want to go ahead and sign up, then go ahead, and congratulations on your bundle of joy. That is it for me. That is all I have. So thank you for watching, and go ahead and click that like button on your way out. Subscribe if you haven't already. I do have a whole bunch in store. So yeah, I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.